issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ogle County in north-central Illinois, western Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, until 1 a.m. At 12:08 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Forreston, or 9 miles south of Freeport, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Byron, Oregon, Mount Morris, Polo, Winnebago, Pecatonica, Forreston, Durand, Stillman Valley, Lost Nation, Leaf River, Grand Detour, Seward, Adeline, Shirland, Baileyville, Wothan, Lake Somerset, and Chana. This includes Castle Rock State Park, Loudoun State Park, Ogle County Fairgrounds, White Pine State Park, and Winnebago County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.